Pineapple tea. It's the first time trying this. I looked up what to do with pineapple peels. So when you peel a pineapple, save them. Boil them in water, cinnamon sticks and turmeric, lemon, rosemary, peppercorns, and is that it? I'm going to add some hibiscus to mine. And you let it boil for an hour and then let it simmer. Now bring it to a boil and let it simmer for an hour or so. The longer you simmer it, the more flavor you'll get. Many, many benefits. It sounded interesting to me. I let it simmer for about 2 hours. I'm gonna let it cool off and then strain all of this and see what we got. So it's cooled off. It's smelling so good. It's smelling so good. And you're supposed to strain all this off. It don't look the greatest. Let me show you. But that's all. All the stuff I'm supposed to strain off. We're not gonna eat that. We just want the tea. Oh, don't get dizzy. Don't get dizzy. Don't get dizzy. Let me sit you down right. All right, let's strain this off. Whoa. Ooh, that was a lot of pineapple. There was 2 pineapples that I peeled. And I'll put all this in the compost. So I might strain it again. Maybe. No, it's looking pretty good. Let me get a container to put this in. And what I'm going to do is store it in the refrigerator and heat it up as I want it. Or I can drink it over ice as well. So, I wonder if I should put this strainer back on there. Let me rinse it. Just in case there's some particles in here. Probably gonna make a mess. Let's see. Oh boy. I gotta do a little switcheroony. Put this over there, put this over here. Alright, I'm gonna strain it one more time into here and I hope I don't spill it. And there are some fine particles down in the bottom here. And I imagine that is maybe rosemary. Just a little bit. And I normally sweeten mine with honey, or I have organic stevia leaves that have been grounded. Grounded. But let's just try it. Let's just check it out and see what it tastes like with no sweetener. It smells so delicious. See what flavors come out. This was so interesting. You know I'm always trying something. Just a little bit. Cheers, peers. Oh, it smells so good. Definitely taste the pineapple. I taste the cinnamon. A little bit of the hibiscus. Oregano. You taste all the flavors. I taste the lemon. It's actually good and it has lots of benefits. and I will put them in the description, but do your own research. Yum, yum. All right, thanks for watching. Peace and love. I appreciate you. Give it a try. Give it a try. You peel a pineapple next time, boil it, and put in what you want. This one, I'll put that recipe in that I got off the internet. But you basically can use what you want, or just pineapple. So thank you. Toodles.